Kaso ang sinabi ko kasi, sabi ko, madam reserve po to, sabi namin, magdadaw daw sa short up. Hindi mo lang sinabi.
Internet cafe here. Okay, thank you. Hi. Excuse me, this is internet cafe?
Motorbike rental, sir.
Only motorbike. Internet cafe don't have here. No. Now don't have internet cafe. Okay, thank you.
You want here? In McDonald's?
In McDonald's?
Yeah.
And
then in the beside.
near McDonald's have internet cafe.
You
Okay.
have to transfer another road. Then
Near Jollibee in front of McDonald's.
McDonald's, and then transfer to the Mountain View. You know Mountain View?
Yeah, Mountain View.
Yeah, straight ahead.
Road to Mountain View.
Yeah, near in the Rice.
Okay.
Yeah, only beside. In the,
Okay.
You know the motorcycle Toda?
Yes.
Terminal beside.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. But you rent a motorbike here.
Motorbike.
How much minimum rent is for my subscribers asking always?
For Aerox and NMAX, 700 per day. For
Mhm.
Honda Click, 500. For Honda Beat, 400 pesos.
Need only international driver license?
There's the requirements.
This requirement, okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Shout out.
12 years ago, I ran first time motorbike here. Okay, thank you guys.
Okay.
So this motorbikes.